What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Ginsu back on the Fight TV video for today. I got to hit my lead to the left, Arm & Hammer to the right. And this is a viewer request. They requested that we watch The Raid Redemption. I've seen The Raid 2. Very good movie. This is Mad Dog versus Jaka hand-to-hand fight. So I think we might get some oohs and ahs. I've never seen this fight scene before, so let's hopefully we got going on.
421.
Yeah, you guys will count down to 3, 2, 1, let's go.
The Raid. I think I've watched The Raid before. Where it's like apocalypse times and they're all like...
No.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Gunpoint.
No.
This is not worth it. Is that Indonesian?
Oh my god.
He's like, fuck that shit.
He said, this is what I do. Hands.
Ugh, just pushes his ass.
And he's talking to you like that, what? He fucking... He could have shot you?
Yeah, he's like, you ain't shit.
Oh!
Mm.
He said enough with all
You
that
literally
striking.
only do that if you really think you could beat someone's ass.
Yeah.
100%. Like, I'm gonna fight this toddler. Fuck
Did
it.
you see the double knee he gave him,
Oh
bro?
my god. Oh! Oh my god. Off the fucking wall. Bro. Ooh. He's more tying the fuck out of him right now.
I'm pretty sure this is Indonesian, man.
Yeah, but I'm just saying the style he was doing.
No,
Is
yeah,
it like
it's Muay
Silat?
Thai. It sounds yeah, I think that was Muay Thai. But the dude sounds, because Indonesian sounds so familiar to freaking Filipino.
Mm.
Oh! Oh my god. Woo! Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh
Ooh!
my
Oh!
god, bro.
He said, this is what I do.
He 180 his
So
ass.
this is the pulse. He's looking up to the heavens.
He just crack his neck?
Yeah.
Or he just RKO his ass.
Yeah, he did. RKO his ass.
Yeah.
Which one's... Oh.
Oh yeah. Who did?
Oh, he said, don't fight it, dog. Oh.
Who was that guy?
He says I only dine in, never take out. Oh my
Stop right
god,
there.
that shit was clean.
Who the hell's Mad Dog?
I don't know.
Was he in a suit or with the armor, right?
I think Mad Dog was the other dude, bro. Maybe with Jack. I don't know.
Jaka sounds like...
He looks like a Mad Dog.
No, he looks like Jaka. I mean, I'm just assuming because that's... This sounds like
I don't know, bro.
He was fighting like a mad dog.
All I know is he said, "I don't like using these because you're about to catch your hands, bro. The hands is where it's at. This here is too simple. These right here, let's see what you can."
That motherfucker was bro. He was moving like a monkey all over the place. He was hitting him from the high to the low, turned it like flipped around over
180
him.
knee though.
I know, that's what I was saying.
Nice.
But the thing is, he brought him to the knee level too.
Yeah. Oh, he did because he chopped it.
Yeah, and then he said, right to the fucking ankle. Turn around 180. Yeah.
Fire. I liked it. I thought it was legit.
That was pretty cool.
Well, there it is, you guys. Another Fight Team reaction. We fucking loved it. If you got any other recommendations, please let us know in the comments down below. I read all the goddamn comments. Other than that, we're out of here. Peace, player. We're gone.